There are many products to choose the best hand gloves for gardeners and car washers, each with different characteristics, benefits and prices, to help you make the right decisions. I did a lot of effectives research and an overall review, and made a list of the best gardeners and car washers from reputable brands. After a ton of research, I found this product will be helpful for all the gardeners and car washers. If you want to know more information and price about the best gardeners and car washers, please check the description box. So without any further delay, we can jump into the video. Number 1. Cool Job Gardening Gloves. Cool Job Gardening Gloves is lightweight and breathable knitted base for a comfortable fit. Flexible rubber coating in mint green and bright red is designed to keep your hands cool and dry. It is soft but sturdy foam latex coating reduces fatigue, and non-slip grip allows you to perform well when weeding, planting, digging, seeding, picking or pulling fruits and vegetables. It has 6 pair distinguishing uses based on different colors. Non-sticky grip makes gloves hose off easily. Cool Job Gardening Gloves are machine washable for long time use. Medium-size ladies' gardening gloves fit most women's hands, big or small. Coating in bright colors make them easier to find in your garden. Genuine Cool Job Garden Gloves, trademark filed in USA. For US customers, it offers 1 month free trial and free lifetime customer service. Number 2. Go 10 Pairs Safety Work and Gardening Gloves. Go 10 Pairs Safety Work and Gardening Gloves are ideal for the auto industry, utility workers, regular construction, logistic, warehousing, driving, forest, ranching, landscaping, gardening, picking, camping, hand tools and light duty works, outdoor activities. It is highly flexible seamless polyester liner that provides hands for maximum comfort. Durable nitrile coated palm gives improved flexibility and a high performance grip. Knit wrist secure fit and keeps hands free of dust and dirt. These gloves are washable for easy cleaning, maintenance and quick dry. It has optional colors and packages. It is CA65 approved, comply with the EU REACH regulation. Number 3. WorkPro 6 Pairs Garden Gloves. WorkPro 6 Pairs Garden Gloves are coated with Revolution Eco Latex, offer maximum abrasion resistance and flexibility. The waffle surface, designed to be skid-proof, helps your work better. These garden gloves, made of highly breathable and stretchable polyester, offer you total agility and comfort. Keep your hands cool and dry while working in the garden. These working gloves protect your skin from wounding and keep your hand and nails away from getting dirty while doing yard chores. These gloves are ideal for gardening, family tools, auto repair, mechanical operations, construction, hardware, or other work. The set comes with 6 pairs of washable gloves. Number 4. Hanlandy Rose Pruning Gardening Gloves. Hanlandy Rose Pruning Gardening Gloves are breathable gardening gloves. Pigskin provides the best breathability of all leather gloves due to the hide's porous texture, which keeps your hands cool and comfortable. Premium pigskin leather thorn-proof gloves ensures breathable and wear resistance and puncture resistance. An extended durability cowhide leather cuff rose pruning gloves protects forearms from cuts and scratches. Reinforced fingertips and padded palm gives strength and protection to your hands and gloves, and it is ideal for trimming roses, pruning holly bushes, berry bushes and other prickly shrubs, tending to cactus plants. Number 5. Acteon Gardening Gloves. Acteon Gardening Gloves, made of natural premium thick cowhide leather that ensures wear resistance and puncture resistance to prevent hands from puncture and protect forearms from bloody and painful scratches. These rose pruning gloves are thorn and scratch resistant, suitable for cactus, blackberries, roses and other barbed plants in the garden or patio. It has full protection leather garden gloves. Elbow length gauntlet will offer protection all the way until your elbow. Extended cowhide leather cuff protects forearms from cuts and scratches. Long pruning gloves, allowing you free from your roses painlessly. The gloves are meticulously stitched. Ergonomically designed thumbs make it easier to grip garden tools. Pliable and flexible enough in leather material to maintain dexterity for fine motor tasks, such as planting seeds. That's all from my end. I think this video will help you to make the right decision. I upload helpful videos daily, so please subscribe to my channel. If you want to know more about the product, please check out my description. I make effective and helpful videos in this channel, and for any kinds of problems, comment below. Stay with us for cool updated product reviews. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.